Welcome back to Quacky Quiz, friends. We're so glad to have you here again. Today, we've got a super fun challenge for you. It's all about spotting the odd one out among numbers and letters with creative twists and textures. Here's how it works. There are 40 questions. You'll have 15 seconds for each, and every correct answer earns you 1 point. Simple and exciting. So grab a pen and keep track of your score, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new quiz. Are you ready? Let's jump in. We're starting off strong. Here's a bunch of number 5s with a cow print texture. But wait, one of them isn't a 5 at all. Can you catch the imposter? Time's up. That sneaky yes almost fooled you, didn't it? These O's look delicious. Chocolate donuts with colorful sprinkles, but there's one that's missing a tasty touch. Done! That's the odd one out. There's something sweet hiding in this peaceful scene. Can you spot the delicious food camouflaged among the image? It's a donut. Sharp eyes. Emoji puzzle time. What animal is represented by these emojis? Tiger. Clever, right? Drop a tiger in the comments if you got it. We've got a bold A with tiger stripes and some fierce tiger heads beside them. But one animal is out of place. Time's up! That wasn't a tiger. You're on fire. Let's keep it rolling. 3 subtle changes are hiding in this tiger-filled garden. Can you catch them all? And here are the differences. Well done! Which of these is the cookie? You have 15 seconds to pick the right plate. Image 3. Cookie. Hot dogs and pizza are delicious, but not cookies. Chomp chomp! All the bees here are made of chocolate chip cookies, except one shape's a little off. Stop! That sneaky number 8 snuck in. Lots of cozy-looking number 8s here, all wrapped in soft white yarn, but one has a fluffier look. Find it! Time's up! Good eye! Among these green snakes slithers a sneaky letter. Can you find the odd one? It's the letter S, sneaky and stylish. Here we go, a bunch of green snake-shaped S letters. Or are they? Something slithered out of line. Can you find it? Done! That number 6 disguised as an S was tricky. Can you rearrange these letters to reveal an animal? Snake! Did your brain slither to the right answer? All M's in denim texture, straight and crisp, but one letter leans a bit differently. Find the odd one out. Well done, Denim Detective. Check out these seahorse-styled number 2s, but one creature doesn't belong in the sea party. Can you pick it out? Nice job! That fishy number was out of place. What do you get when you mix these emojis? Seahorse, tiny, magical, and found in the sea. A bunch of scaly green number 3s with gator vibes, but someone snuck in the wrong number. Spot the intruder if you can. Stop! That 9 tried to blend in. There are 4 different animals on the screen. Remember their position. Now, can you remember where the crocodile was? Position 2. Memory like a pro. Drop a comment if you nailed it. This tasty combo is hidden in these emojis. Can you decode it? Ice cream. These ones look like popsicles, sweet and cool. But one isn't quite number 1 material. Can you catch the odd one? Good catch! That number 7 doesn't melt the same. C-shaped watermelon rinds all around. Or are they? One shape just doesn't fit the fruit salad. Can you find the one that's different? That was a juicy number 6 trying to blend in. Only one image perfectly matches this shadow. Which is it? Image 6, letter C with watermelon texture. Which one is the letter T made from red yarn? Image 1, T for texture and terrific guess. Soft red yarn shapes a row of T's, but something about one of these looks a little different. Can you spot the odd one? Time's up. That Y was out of line. One image doesn't have a twin. Can you find it? The red wool tee stands alone, unique and proud. Deep in this stunning view, a number made of chocolate is hiding. Can you spot it? It's number 4. Well done! Tasty chocolate block number 4s. Wait! Something is not right. Can you see which one stands out? Stop! That A tried to go incognito. These Z's look super cheesy, but something in there looks not the same. Find the one that's not a Z. Yup, that 7 was sneaking around. Which 9 is made of stone and covered in moss? Image 3, ancient perfection. Stone-textured 9s with a mossy touch, but one of them doesn't feel very numeric. Can you spot the imposter? Done! Eyes like a hawk. Golden cheesy L's are on display, but one of these slices is missing a crossbar. Time's up. That number 1 was trying to blend in. There's a letter in this area. Can you find it? It's the letter L. Great guess! Which one is real spaghetti? You've got 15 seconds. Don't get tricked. Image 1. That's spaghetti. The rest, imposters. A spaghetti circle with a little tail. Must be Q, right? Not so fast. Stop! That zero had no tail. How many green geckos can you count? Eight geckos. Option C. Were your eyes sharp enough? Tangled green gecko shapes, but one of them isn't a number 6 at all. Find it! Well done! That number 5 didn't belong. A full alphabet lineup from A to K, but keep your eyes on H. One of them isn't true. Time's up. That was an N pretending to be H. Popcorn letters spell sun, but something's popped out of place. Find it. Done! That S was actually a number 5. This emoji combo is popping with flavor. Can you figure out what tasty snack these emojis are hinting at? Popcorn, did you get it right? Let us know in the comments. Soft and furry cat, but one letter isn't what it seems. Can you spot it? Fantastic job! That A turned into a 4. This cat picture has 3 hidden differences. Can you catch them? And here are the differences. Well done! That's it for today's Numbers and Letters Challenge. You did amazing! How many odd ones did you spot? Drop your score in the comments and challenge your friends to beat it. And hey, if you had fun, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Quacky Quiz, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new challenge. Thanks for playing. See you in the next one.